Sir, now introduce my homework. Shayan. This is my pen. This is my gift. This is my fan. This is my AC. This is my gate. This is my ear. This is my cap. This is my nose. This is my eyes. This is my lip. This is my mouth. This is my teeth. This is my fingers. This is my hands. This is my gates. This is my dress. This is my cartoon. This is my color. This is my red color. This is my blue color. This is my white color. This is my black color. This is my yellow color. This is my blue color. This is my black color. This is my toy. This is my dress. This is my pen. This is my pencil. This is my button. This is my school bag. This is my school box. This is my school uniform. This is my school box. This is my school gift. This is gift. This is mobile. This is car. This is bike. This is, that's all.